mwalimu na yulu ni kampani ka mara mwalimu na shule ile shulesi programu ni bingurabi tua combo
It's my pleasure to be here today to officially open the new Essence of Fiji's Rejuvenation Center, of which I'm in dire need after all the week-long sessions in Parliament. Today, the Essence of Fiji Rejuvenation Center has embarked on a $1 million investment venture that has created about 30 jobs for the locals in Nadi, and not to mention the significant contribution the company will make to the economy. Furthermore, the center provides a new and fresh concept to transit. Now, travelers have a long transit in Fiji do not have to spend their time at the airport, but they can experience the luxury of the Rejuvenation Center. Additionally, this concept is also taking the Fijian-made brand to an international audience by getting them to the brand. Ladies and gentlemen, a total of 39 beauty and cosmetic products by Essence of Fiji are branded Fijian Made under the Fijian Made by Fijian campaign, because these products are manufactured in Fiji with most of the raw materials sourced from Fiji from our local villages. The Fijian Made and by Fijian campaign, like many other pro-growth policy initiatives of the Bainimarama government, is for all Fijians to create a resilient and strong economy from within. Over the 3-year history of this Fijian government-led initiative, 216-odd companies have joined the campaign, and 1,000 products have been licensed. This is not limited to large businesses, but includes a number of small and medium enterprises and products that are niche products. Thank you. Fijian businesses have realized the importance of carrying this mark on their products, and it's a mark not just recognized locally, but also our Pacific neighbors who look for the Fijian mark on the products from Fiji. And it is companies such as Essence of Fiji who have given the Fijian Made campaign the exposure domestically and internationally. The campaign has reached new heights, and we have proven that any Fijian Made product is of high quality and standards. We are actually positioning ourselves to compete in the global market on quality and standards and international best practices. Ladies and gentlemen, the contribution of this center will go beyond the actual tourism industry, but will spread to the provision of training and employment to Fijians and the sourcing of raw materials, as you heard before. The Fijian government will continue its support for the Fijian Made by Fijian campaign in 2015 with a continuation of the $500,000 budget. In 2015, the ministry will focus on marketing and, most importantly, on auditing and compliance procedures to ensure that the credibility of the brand is never compromised. Coming back to today's event, I wish to congratulate Essence of Fiji for the creative new idea and look forward to other players in taking the approach to ensure sustainability of our tourism industry. I encourage other Fijian businesses to follow Essence of Fiji's example. Smart investors know that now is the time to reap the rewards of a vastly better investment climate. Now is the time, actually, ladies and gentlemen, also for me to thank MDF. I think they've been of great assistance to Deborah. Thank you very much. We look forward to your further support to all our other little ventures in the country. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure to officially declare the Rejuvenation Center open and wish Essence of Fiji